Hello again, traders. Jason here from the Swing Trading Authority. Wanted to go ahead and quickly walk you through one of the trades that we've been involved with here over the past several days. We are looking at the Canada USD currency cross in the spot market. And what I wanted to do is let's bring you up to speed on what we've been looking at here and what we're running into. And this is a common occurrence with the trading model that we use. And what I want to do is kind of show you what's transpired so far and what we're looking at currently and what the potential outcomes may be. We're going to use a little bit of Fibonacci to kind of help reinforce some of the decisions that we're making and show you, again, some of the different options that you can look at as you're trying to make some decisions about how to trade this model in this market. Alright, now as you can see, back on the 9th, which was, I believe was last Monday, we actually had a breakout of our channel. And the CE model uses a channel trade where basically the model goes out and looks for consolidation in the marketplace, and when it finds that, it gives us a couple of options here, whether we go long here at the green bar or short here at the red bar. And we actually had a break above the green bar here, which instituted a buy signal for us, and we went up, and then really pulled back here and just rolled right over. These are 2-hour candles traders, in case you're wondering. But we went up for about the first 2 hours, and we rolled over. We actually got stopped out on this first trade. Then our channels formed again here shortly, and we actually had another sell signal here on the 13th. And the market continued to, we had a little bit of pullback here. I talked about it yesterday about, when you actually enter. Do you enter after you cross the band, or do you wait until, or do you just do it as soon as you touch the band, and some of the differences that makes. So go back and look at the video archives. I believe it was for last Friday, and take a look at that if you want to see what we were talking about there. But we basically had, we had a little push down towards our target point here. We pulled back a little bit. As you can see, we had a new channel form over the night here, and now the question becomes, what do I do now? Because many of you are in a trade right now, and the market is pressing down towards your target. We've had a little bit of a rebound, and now the market is retesting the lows here, and we're going to find out whether or not we're going to go ahead and finish out to our target, or whether we're going to have a reversal and go back north. And so wanted to talk with you a little bit about some of your decision making when it comes to that. First of all, I want to tell you what we do here in the office. And again, in order to try and provide conservative numbers on profits, on losses, on just what the model's overall performance is, I don't want anything crazy when I put numbers out there to you guys, or when I put performance data out there to you guys. If you guys are going to invest in a system like this, I want you guys to have some really accurate numbers that you can go off of, so that you can feel confident that you're going to see like results or similar results when you use it yourself. Once again, past performance is not indicative of future results, but it's the best model that we have, or the best tool that we have, to analyze the performance of a particular system or model. And so based on that, we use previous performance in order to try and predict what the market's going to do in the future. And as long as people keep being people, and as long as emotions keep being emotions, as long as people keep doing the same things that they've always done in the marketplace, we have a reasonable expectation that what has happened in the past is going to happen in the future. And so what we do when these channels form up, and when we get a new channel when we're already in a trade, is we immediately exit the trade. We go off market. Now, we're still in a good position. We're still moving towards our target, and you can, by anyone's estimation, continue to move towards your target point and be just fine. But once again, we want to give you conservative numbers. So as these channels form up, we immediately exit the trade, which means right now here, as far as the office is concerned, we are all flat on the trade. But if you guys decide to hold your positions, then your target does not change. You are either going to hit your target or you're going to have a reversal signal and you're going to have a buy on the long side. You're actually going to come all the way back up, and you're probably going to be stopped. Well, you are going to be stopped out before you get there using our 2 ATR stop. So you're either going to be stopped out or you're going to hit your target. Nothing changes. If you prefer to be a little bit more conservative and you say, well, the model's telling me that there's still some consolidation, that we haven't really found a direction, that we're not really moving yet, I don't feel comfortable with this, then you can exit the trade as well, and right now you'd be exiting it for a profit. And this is as of it's about 7 o'clock Central Time here in the morning on Monday. So those are some different options for you. Taking a look here quickly at some Fibonacci extensions, as you can see, we came right out here of the gate a few days ago, did not hit our target, ran right up to the 618 retracement, right on it, and then pulled back. So there's a little bit of ratio there for you on that one. Now, to give you an idea of what we're looking at here, if we go Fibonacci extension tool there, as you can see, we came right down, hit the 127 extension, pulled back. Now we're going to retest that 127 extension area. Our target is right in between the 127 and the 1618 extensions. And traders, for those of you who've worked with us before and have watched some of our stuff on Fibonacci's, or who have taken a 3-day course with us, then what we know about the Fibonacci's is we have these extensions, is that they typically end or terminate somewhere around the 127, 1618 extensions. So is there a chance that the move may end here? Yes. Is there a chance that we may actually press down and see a target, see us hit our target? Yes, there's a chance of that as well. So for those of you who are still in the trade, if those are your rules and you say, hey, if the new channel forms up, I continue to stay with the trade until I'm either stopped out or hit my target, then continue on with that. We at the office have not tested that as rules of engagement for this particular model, but once again, if you've done your testing on that and find that to be valuable, then go ahead and continue with it. But this is just one example, traders, here on the CE model about how to handle a reforming of the bands, the upper and lower bands, while we're in the middle of a trade. More to follow, traders. We'll talk to you soon, and good trading.